Well, my people, I have finally decided to change the watch I have to the CMF Watch Pro 2. The watch is not bad in the general sense, it's a 50 watch, but it lacks too many useful things. The fact that I can't sync 100% everything that happens, all the activities I do is a problem. Sometimes sports detection is not so easy. The battery life is very good. There is nothing else to say. But unfortunately, the problem of constant connection, constant disconnection, lack of data sync and all that is affecting me. That is why today I decided to buy the Apple Watch Series 11. And let's look for the Metro Apple Watch. I bought it with the PayPal deferred payment method. I'm going to look for it today. I bought it about 1 hour ago and I'm going to look for it in 15 minutes and nothing. So let's look for it and let's see how it is. Of course, I bought it in a store called Darty. It's about 10 minutes from my house. I made the purchase around 5:10 a.m. and it turns out that I had to be at 6:15 a.m. and it was exactly at 5:50 a.m. That is, they prepared my order in about 30 minutes, so we are upstairs and we are going to look for her. You know, the only store where I buy technology, let's say 100% new. I go through Amazon or I go through this store that you already know we are here, and this is the little store where I buy all my electronic equipment. And let's see, it's quick, sir. That's me going out and I going out, and at once I mean I enter the store and I give you a code. And since the payment is registered and it was my account number, they deliver it to me in a couple of minutes. There is the box. I didn't remember. The box is now smaller, much smaller. In fact, there was no need to make it bigger. Hence, the other box is very big. You remember, this is the smallest box. We're going to the house to unbox.